All right, language explorers. So let's look at this week's Friday idiom. So a loudmouth. A loudmouth. Someone that talks loudly. Yeah, talks loudly. Or does not keep secrets. Shh. Secrets. No one needs to know. Yeah. No one needs to know our secret. Yeah. Shh. So someone that talks loudly. So he is always a loudmouth. We can hear him, well, from the other side. Yeah, we can hear him from the other side. Yeah. She is a loud mouth. She always talks too much. Okay. Is she a loud mouth? Yeah, sometimes. Sometimes, because a lot of people can hear her. Is she a loud mouth? Yeah, sometimes. Sometimes, yeah. Do you think that he is a bit of a loudmouth? That he is a bit of a loudmouth? Yeah, well, maybe. Well, he used to be a loudmouth, but not anymore, because he is more conscious of how loud he is speaking, or how loud he speaks. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah, he's conscious now. Don't need to be so loud. Just shh. Okay. Sometimes they are loudmouths. What can we do? Well, just remind the loudmouth to be quieter and considerate of others. Yeah. You don't need to be a loudmouth to get attention. You can just, well, you don't need to be a loudmouth to get attention, yeah. Let people discover you over time. Yeah, let your achievements show off them. Let them achievements speak for themselves. Yes. Yes. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. Yeah, a loudmouth. Yeah. Yeah, so how cool is that? So, loudmouth. Now, can you use loudmouth in a sentence? Comment below and like the video and subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian and Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram. And Adrian Nanchev on Udemy. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.